Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin with the part active in Solidworks. This is essential. First, make sure the Feature Manager design tree is visible and the part document is the front window. Once done, right-click the part name or the material folder label. This is the single correct entry point. You do this because materials are assigned at part level and control mass and appearance. Make sure to save a backup. If you skip this, you risk losing calibrated properties. Now you're ready to open the Material Database dialog. You'll now pick the actual material from the Edit Material dialog. Navigate folders in the SolidWorks database or a custom library, then select the specific alloy or polymer you need. Once selected, inspect density and mechanical properties. This is why you choose from the database, so simulations and mass calculations are accurate. Click Apply to bind the material to the part, then close the dialog. At this stage, the part's physical properties update. Make sure to rebuild so downstream features and drawings use the new values. Finish by rebuilding and verifying the change so everything reflects the new material. You should run a rebuild, Ctrl+B or Ctrl+Q to force recalculation. Then open mass properties to confirm density, mass, and center of mass match expected values. This validates the assignment. If you use assemblies, make sure the part instance updated. Troubleshooting tip: if numbers don't change, make sure you applied the material to the part's top node and not merely an appearance. Reapply material from the material dialog.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.